Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you're passionate about understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and keeping it in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. From in-depth reviews to step-by-step tutorials, we've got it all covered. So, before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. To read the CEM 0N78S password for Volvo 2018 to 2021 proximity, all keys lost scenario using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3, follow these steps. Required tools. OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3. C4-01 board. MP001 programmer. Wiring cable. Steps to read CEM 0N78S password. 1. Disconnect battery. Before removing the CEM module, disconnect the car battery to ensure safety. 2. Remove CEM module. Locate and remove the CEM module from the vehicle. 3. Locate chip. Identify the chip on the CEM module. For Volvo XC40 2018 to 2021, the chip is SPC5748G0N78S. The G3 will also read CEM SPC5747G1N81M and SC667320-0N32E. 4. Set up G3 for reading CEM. In the G3 menu, navigate to Volvo XC40 proximity CEM 2018 to 2021 SPC 5748 G0N78S. 5. Follow instructions and wiring diagram. OBDSTAR G3 will display instructions and a wiring diagram. Read these instructions carefully. 6. Weld wiring cable. Weld a wiring cable to the CEM module following the wiring diagram provided by the G3. Ensure the wiring length does not exceed 20 centimeters for optimal performance. 7. Connect wiring cable to C4-01 board. Connect the wiring cable to the C4-01 board. Then connect the C4-01 board to the MP001 programmer. 8. Power on MP001 programmer. Power on the MP001 programmer. 9. Establish connection. After setting up the connection, press connect on the G3. 10. Read and save CEM IMO data. Read and save the CEM IMO data using the G3. 11. Retrieve security password. Select the security password function on the G3. The G3 will read the password from the IMO data successfully. 12. Program smart key. Use the retrieved PIN code to program the smart key. Following these steps will allow you to read the CEM 0N78S password and program new keys for Volvo XC40 2018 to 2021 models using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and share this video with fellow automobile enthusiasts. Together, we can make the world of car diagnostics and programming a bit easier for everyone. Until next time, take care and happy diagnosing.